Now that you purchased our service, I want to take a few minutes to go over the process times and what you can do to speed up the process. Remember, it's taking you years to get your credit into its current state, so cleaning it up will not happen overnight. We cannot dispute everything all at once, or the credit bureaus will reject the disputes by marking them frivolous. So we must do this carefully and strategically. It takes 30 to 45 days for bureaus and creditors to respond to each letter, and even more time for changes to reflect on your credit reports. A difficult item may take multiple letters to multiple parties, so patience is the key. Thanks to technology and by logging into your client portal, you can receive real-time updates of the work that we're doing every step of the way. Now, once we send off a letter for you and you get a response back, you need to take a picture of that response letter and upload it in your back office portal, even if it was deleted, so we can mark your back office properly. Now, our first letters that we send off, it's going to take 30 to 45 days response. What we're asking for is the verified accounts. If they can't verify it, they must delete it. If it comes back verified, we send our round 2 letters off. And that's going to be another 30 to 45 days. And what they like to do from letter 2 on is they like to send letters that keep saying verified when we already did this in letter 1. Or they want to send something back saying it's frivolous. Or I've also seen you're using a credit repair company when you can use a credit repair company. It's just crazy. If they don't have the original, what we're looking for is the original contract that you signed, and they like to give you the runaround. And this is what makes this a time-consuming process, because they have 30 to 45 days, and then if they send you a letter that's not what you're asking for, that's another 30 to 45 days and another letter that we have to send off on your behalf. So patience is the key. This will take months to do. All right, now to speed up the process, stop applying for credit. Each time you do, it lowers your credit score. Do not close any accounts. This also lowers your credit score. Pay your credit cards down to below 25% of the available credit line. So if you have a $1,000 credit line, you want to be $250 or under. This will make a huge positive impact on your credit score. Never spend more than 25% of available credit line, even if you pay the balance in full each month. Pay your bills on time. One missed payment will lower your score dramatically and undo all the work we are doing. Keep your credit monitoring account active throughout the credit repair process so we can see the changes to your accounts and scores. Your score will not suffer if you're the one ordering your reports. Most importantly, we'll be sending many letters to the bureaus. Be sure to open all your mail and forward the replies here to us. This can be as simple as taking a photo on your phone and uploading it to your portal. Thank you again for purchasing our services. This is just a few minutes to go over the time it's going to take to get this process going. Patience is the key. Patience is the key. And also, in the next video below this, I'm going to show some ways that you can help boost your score by adding trade lines onto your personal credit reports with Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Things that will help boost your score.